are here welcoming Alex Fetkowski, CEO of SanaClis. He's flown over from Slovakia to see some of his key customers, and he stopped off here in New York. Thanks very much, Alex. Really looking forward to talking to you.
Thanks, Nigel. It's great being here again, and especially with you. We always enjoy all the meetings with you, so it's great to be here.
The big question of this trip is, what is the next big thing in pharma, Alex?
What I would say that it's the most important goal for the whole pharma industry is to speed up the time to the market, speed up the whole process. I'm not without compromising quality, but let's say there are multiple ways how we can contribute to that.
When we were with you in Bratislava last year, I understand that you were greatly expanding your storage, logistics, and your warehousing cold chain in your home city. Can you tell me more about that and what's going on in the future at SanaClis?
Since we met last time, we've been able to complete the construction, to get all the corresponding licenses, and I'm very proud to say that the facility is operation ready, and it's already operating, and we are very proud of it. And on top of that, we are targeting to open up activities or expand our activities significantly in US. So this is the reason why I'm here with my team, just to make it possible.
So really the discussion around clinical trials is going to change. If we take a look at the last 18 months, what changes do you think are going to happen with the regulatory bodies when they're looking at clinical trials?
Personally, I think that the whole industry already proved within the last 1.5 years that it's possible to bring new therapies, or even that I'm now referring to the vaccines development, but it's possible to bring the medicines way earlier than before if there is joint collaboration. It demonstrated not only to the industry experts but also to governmental bodies that we have tools how to get to the market faster.
Are you seeing the sponsors, your clients, are the sponsors asking for different services, new services, or anything new from SanaClis as a CRO?
What we see as of now is the higher demand on the full outsourcing model. As always, the sponsor is looking for the way how to be as efficient, as fast as possible, as every single day costs a lot of investments. If we are able to combine all our various departments, we are able to speed up all the processes because you don't need to discuss with some other third party, which is very beneficial. On the other hand, they are also looking for new ways of services, and not only that, but also they are looking for some kind of let's say corporate social responsibility. How do we approach, even especially during these days, let's say site visits? So if our employees are coming, if our CRAs are coming to the hospital, whether they are not some kind of potential risks for the doctors and subsequently for the patient. So that's very important. So we launched an initiative that all of our CRAs are fully vaccinated, just to minimize any kind of risk or exposure.
SanaClis has made investments over the last few years. You're continuing to make investments. So if we look over the next 5 years or even over the next decade, where is the business going?
That's a tricky question because right now we see that the whole globalization was not the best approach because that allowed pandemic to get everywhere. On the other hand, it would be naive to think that the globalization will stop since today. So, of course, we are looking for the new investments and to penetrate new markets. So as we discussed already, the US is for us the next big step. My personal goal as a CEO is just to maintain the quality of the service and deliverables as our clients are used to, and just to cover the main clinical trial markets where we already are, and expand the service offering in US. Should I say it in English and then in Slovak?
You can say it in English and Slovak. Yeah.
Okay.
Right at the camera.
Okay, good luck, guys. We are really looking forward to watch the whole trip, at least online. And let me wish you also in my language. So, ďakujem pekne a držíme vám palce na vašej ceste cez 50 štátov v Amerike a budeme to sledovať.